It took 46 years for electricity to reach a quarter of US homes. The internet, 7 years. ChatGPT, 5 days. And in biology, something that once took scientists decades, AI now does in seconds. AlphaFold didn't just predict protein structures, it redefined how we discover life itself. So, what happens when the same intelligence starts rewriting your job? When it reads trial data faster than you do? When it writes regulatory submissions, manuscripts, publications, promotional content better, faster, and cheaper. When it designs molecules overnight. And according to Goldman Sachs, up to 300 million jobs globally could be exposed to AI driven automation. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, you will discover which pharma and biotech roles are disappearing, which ones are evolving, and how to become one of the people who actually get ahead because of AI. By the end, I'll share a 12-month tactical roadmap that's already helping scientists, clinicians, and strategists future proof their careers. If you work in pharma, biotech, healthcare, or life sciences, this episode might just be the most important one you listen to this year. Let's get into it. Before we jump into today's episode, I just want to say something from the heart. Over 93% of the people who watch this podcast regularly haven't subscribed. And listen, I get it. Life is busy. You click, you watch, you move on. But if you've ever felt like this show brings you value, if it has made you think, sparked a new idea, introduced you to something inspiring, then I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button. It might not seem like much, but to me, it means everything. This podcast has always been a labor of love. No sponsors, no script, just honest conversations with people trying to make a difference in the world of healthcare. And your support, your one click, helps me keep doing that. It helps more people discover these voices. It helps this community grow. So if you're here, if you believe in this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for being here. Now let's get into the episode. Imagine someone building a system that can do 80% of your job faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. Now imagine your boss discovering it before you do. That's not a story from the future, that's right now. AI can already interpret lab essays, detect safety signals, draft regulatory summaries, develop and repurpose promotional content, and even optimize manufacturing cycles. So here's the brutal truth. If AI can do your job faster, cheaper, and just as accurately, your role is under pressure. But not every job is equally vulnerable. If your role demands trust, creativity, or deep domain judgment, you've got some breathing space. But safe isn't forever. The line between secure and replaceable is moving every single day. So, how close are we really? Let's look at the examples that should make every pharma professional sit up. Remember Kodak? They invented digital photography and ignored it. They bet on what was, not what could be. Pharma's Kodak moment is happening right now. Except this time, it's not about film, it's about data. And the new digital in life sciences is intelligence. So let me show you what's already unfolding. DeepMind's AlphaFold cracked one of biology's greatest mysteries, predicting protein structures in seconds, accelerating discovery that once took years. Extensia brought the first AI designed molecule into human trials, from computer to clinic in record time. In silico medicine and benevolent AI are using generative algorithms to design, test, and de risk drug faster than ever before. Big Pharma, from Pfizer to Novartis to Roche, is investing heavily, partnering with AI first startups, hiring for AI expertise like never before. And according to Goldman Sachs, up to 300 million jobs globally could be exposed to AI driven automation. In pharma, that includes shared services, lab operations, data analytics, and even parts of regulatory affairs. But here's the twist, this isn't about job loss, it's about job redesign. The question isn't will AI replace me? It's about how do I evolve faster than my function? And that's what we'll uncover next. Three new rules that will separate those who vanish from those who rise. So here's the new survival manual for every pharma professional. Audit, embed, build. Number one, audit your role. Write down every task you do in a typical week. Now ask which of these could AI do if it had access to my data? If more than half your tasks are predictable or pattern based, it's time to pivot. Number two, embed AI into your value. Don't resist the machine. Train it, guide it, correct it. You don't need to code. You just need to understand enough to critique outputs and guide decisions. Be the person who can say, here's how this model is going to help us, or here's where it's wrong. Number three, build higher up the stack. Own the human layers that AI cannot reach. Validation, governance, ethics, data integrity, regulatory AI strategy. That's where influence lives. Those roles will outlast everything else. But knowing these rules is one thing, applying them, that's where the winners are made. So let's break down your 12-month roadmap to action. So here's your 12-month tactical roadmap. And this isn't theory, it's a playbook. 12 months from now, you could be the AI leader inside your organization, not the one waiting for instructions. By the end of this year, you will have evidence, not theory, that you are part of the solution, not the redundancy list. Week one, run the AI test on your role. Awareness creates control. Month one, take a practical AI ML course in life sciences. Learn the tools shaping your field. Month three, automate one recurring task. It could be literature review, data cleaning, or report generation. Build proof of concept. Month six, lead or contribute to a small AI validation or risk governance project. Demonstrate leadership. Month 12, present measurable ROI. It could be time saved, cost cut, faster insights, secure your influence and future. But here's the part everyone underestimates. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating an entire new economy inside pharma. This isn't an apocalypse, it's an evolution. A renaissance of roles that didn't exist 5 years ago. Translational AI scientists, clinical simulation designers, regulatory AI officers, synthetic biology engineers. These aren't future fantasies, they are current job postings. PwC found that industries adopting AI faster are also seeing the highest productivity and wage growth. So, this is not a time to fear AI, it's time to master it. AI won't replace you, but the person who uses AI will. Cliche, right? But it holds true. So, here's the truth: you can either be disrupted or be the disruptor. You can wait for the change or lead it. The future of pharma isn't being written by algorithm. It's being written by humans who understand how to use them. So here's my challenge to you. If you want to take this conversation further, if you want a detailed 12 months tactical roadmap tailored to your specific function, DM me or drop a comment below saying, I'm ready. I will personally send you the roadmap that will help you begin your transformation step by step, month by month. Because the people who start now will be the ones everyone else will work for tomorrow. Be bold, be curious, be ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the future you are about to build.